Hi everyone, my name's Cathy. Welcome to Skint Living UK. Today I'm in the process of doing some batch cooking. I've got some chili chicken thighs that I got reduced from Asda, and they're cooking in the oven at the moment. And I'm about to throw a cottage pie in the oven as well. I made the cottage pie today from these reduced sausages. I got 2 packets of them. So one I've used for the sausage cottage pie, can't even say it, and the other one will go in the freezer. So I've also browned them with a little tiny knob of butter, some garlic granules, and I've mixed in some casserole mix. So I got these from Asda. They were reduced to 56p, so I thought, oh, alright, I'll throw them in. And in the pan here I've been steaming some potatoes. I'll cook some potatoes at the bottom to make the mash, and at the top I've got some sprouts because I bought some sprouts and they were reduced to 28p. Originally they were 85 and then down to 41 and then to 28p. So what I'm going to do now is I'm just going to sprinkle some gravy granules on top. I'll use the water from the potatoes to make the gravy. Then I'll mush the mash, as I used to say to my kiddies, with a knob of butter and a little dot of milk, and throw it in the oven with the chicken that's already cooking. Let's have a little look, see how it's doing. Ooh, steamy. So these are the chicken thighs. These are coming along lovely. So my son will have the chicken thighs and I'll have the sausage hot pot. And I've also made an apple crumble. So I had 1 large apple. It can be a cooking apple or a couple of eaten apples, a handful of sultanas, a dash of lemon juice, and some sugar and cinnamon. I had a bit of brown sugar left over, so I've just used the last of it, and a little sprinkle of cinnamon as well. It's lovely when it's cooking in the oven. It smells really Christmassy. And I've made the crumble here, which was plain flour, butter cut into knobs and then little pieces, rubbed it all in, and about 4 tablespoons of normal sugar, granulated sugar. It doesn't have to be a posh sugar in any way. Stick it on top. So that's going to go the bottom of the oven while everything else is cooking. So the chicken's cooking at the moment and the hot pot's going to go next to it, and the crumble's going to go at the bottom. So I'm just trying to make the most of using the oven at the same time. Let's move these sprouts. So the potatoes are being cooking. So I'm just going to make the gravy now for the sausage cottage pie. So these sausages look nice. I've not had the caramelised onion ones before, so I'm hoping they're nice. Ooh. So they're usually 2 for £4.98. And I got them for £1.47 each, so it's about £1 off. Or if you buy them individually, they're £2.98, and that would be half price. So this, like I said, this other packet will go in the oven. So it's a bit too thick. Let's get a bit more water in. And then I'll mush the mash, throw it on top, and I'll go in the oven as well. So I'll have a sausage hot pot that'll do me for a couple of days. My son's got some spicy chicken thighs that'll do him for a couple of days, and we've got some crumble to share. So I'm really pleased with the bargains I got from Asda. I'll do a link in the description box and at the end of the video as well, so you can have a little look. And I'm pleased because the little veggie mix looks quite nice as well, and only for 56p. So if you've done any batch cooking this week, let me know in the comments below. And if you would keep really kind, could you please like, share and subscribe as well, because it doesn't cost you anything, and I'd be really chuffed if you did. I've got over 900 subscriptions. I'm hoping to get 1,000 over the next month or 2. That will be so nice. So bye for now, and thanks so much for watching.